So here we have the SK 20-piece socket extension set. It's got everything from 1/4 inch to 3/8 inch to 1/2 inch drive extensions. Like all of SK tools, they are made of a premium CRV steel. I'm not a steel expert, but I can tell just by holding them and feeling them that the steel is definitely a quality one. It is a very durable piece. I love these. I love how they swivel like this, that you can get into tight spaces, whether you're working on an automobile or your house or anything like that. I do have a 1/4 inch socket extension from Cobalt Tools that we'll take a look at as well to compare for the SK tools. And let's do that now. First thing I notice about them is they are just about equal weight, perfectly equal size, balanced. The Cobalt has a little bit larger of a grip section right here. I don't know how much that matters, but it is definitely there. One thing I like is that the SKs have the size engraved on it where the Cobalts don't have it at all. And in fact, even on the smaller bits, they're simply, maybe that's a sticker that they're stuck on, but they're not laser engraved. So outside of that, they are almost identical. Let's see how they feel on an actual wrench. This is the SK. Looks and feels nice. Falls off the table. Here's the Cobalt. Feels just as nice. In and out just as easily. Different socket extension from SK. This is a Cobalt wrench. And man, yeah, no problems at all. These are feeling really nice. They look really sleek. The one thing that I absolutely wish was that there was something better to store these in. The nice thing is this will fit flush in a toolbox in a drawer. However, most drawers are of DIYers and craftsmen are completely packed. So they make little carrying cases that we can put these things in, but I wish it either came with one or had a better case for all of these, for all the product. I mean, these things are massive. Looks and feels great. This is the 1/2 inch, if you can't tell. But I mean, this is about 1 foot long. Really good quality. If you don't know SK Tools, give them a shot. I've worked with and used a few of their products in the past, and I'm really pleased with them. I think you will be too. This set really can do it all. As you can see, I've got a 1/4 inch wrench here. We've got an extension that you can pop on, and then it's got the swivel adapter as well for getting into some tight spaces. Easily just removed. You can add just about any size adapter that you want. Although wrench is going to be too small for whatever this is that you are unscrewing or screwing in. But you can see the point is there, and man, are these things durable and tough. I really don't think you'll go wrong with these products. And once again, disassembling them, super easy to do. This kit has just about everything you're gonna need for just about every size. So reach out anytime with questions or concerns and give this a shot. I really don't think you're gonna be disappointed with the value that you get here. Have a great day.